Okay, so I just wanted to kind of make a video, kind of like, I guess, talking about a few things that you should do, like, before you make your YouTube channel. I guess, like, before you start uploading, really. And, yeah, or, like, as you start your YouTube channel, or whatever. But, I guess some stuff is probably gonna be obvious, but other stuff I feel like wouldn't be as obvious. But anyways, I think one thing that would be pretty obvious is that you should find a way to make custom thumbnails. And just like, I guess maybe I could make a video that's like, hey, here's some things that you could use to make custom thumbnails, or like ways to make custom thumbnails, and then like, I guess just ways that's easy to make custom thumbnails, or like, so it's like you don't have to, I guess, pay for it, just like a free way to do it, I guess, because I feel like a lot of people when they're starting out, they probably can't pay for something, so it's like, hey, you need a free easy way to do something, then here's something to help you get started. And if you ever want to put money into your YouTube channel, then I guess that's something for later on down the road. So try to find a way to make custom thumbnails for your videos. I guess that's more of a thing for, not, I guess, like, you should plan ahead of time and be like, hey, here's one or a few ways I can make thumbnails, and then once you start making videos then you can use it. Or you could be like, hey, I need to find a way to make a custom thumbnail for this video I'm gonna upload. And then I guess it could be, you could figure out a way to make custom thumbnails before you start a YouTube channel, but also as you start it, I guess. But I feel like maybe planning ahead of time would be a little bit better, but I don't know. And then also, I guess you need like a recording thing, so like a camera or something on your like computer to like record your screen, or like on your phone to record your screen. So like you could have a camera for like recording, I guess, IRL stuff, or you could have it just be like the screen or something, or you could probably find out a way to just record your voice and then have like a picture there and then put your audio over it or something. Just some way to do that. There are free things that you could use to record your screen with, and or even like stream like on Twitch or something. There's like free things that you can use too for that. And yeah, like some way to like edit them, or some way to whatever. I feel like it's harder to find something to edit with than it is to find something to record with. But yeah, it's kind of sad. But anyways, I'm actually really sad that, what was it, back in like 2018 I think it was, but YouTube like removed their like video edit thingy, and I was really sad about that. So I kind of had a hard time trying to find something to actually help me put stuff together and whatever. So yeah, I finally figured out how to do that. But I'm sure there's some ways that you could probably find, like recording stuff and whatever. Again, there are free ones if you don't have the money, or you don't want to put money into your YouTube channel yet, like, and you want to, like, if you want to do that at a later time, then there are free things that you can record with, and maybe some free stuff to edit with. But it's kind of hard to find that kind of stuff, but I don't know. Anyways, I kind of wanted to talk about, I guess, like basic stuff first, but also if you want to find a way to record your voice, you're gonna, I guess, if you already have a set of headphones and they have a microphone on them, then I guess you could use that. But also, I guess getting a microphone would be putting money towards a YouTube channel, but you can also use a microphone for like talking to people in games or on Discord or whatever. So yeah, I guess getting a microphone wouldn't be completely just putting money towards a YouTube channel. It could also be for just talking to people on like Discord or in a game or whatever. So yeah, I guess it could be really a mic for whatever other stuff too. So that's another one. But yeah, that's just like, I guess, basic stuff. But yeah, you're gonna have to like try to make it so you can have custom thumbnails, upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. So actually, if you want to do that, you're gonna have to go to your, what's it called again? I think it's just YouTube Studio is what it's called. Okay, so you go to YouTube Studio for if you want to make it so you can do custom thumbnails and longer than 15 minutes videos. You're gonna have to go to Channel Studio and then go to the settings, which should be like on the left, and go to the channel thing and then eligibility stuff, and then you can try to unlock whatever stuff. So you gotta do whatever stuff, and yeah, so you can make it so you can have videos longer than 15 minutes. You can also have custom thumbnails and then live streams, and then you can playlists and stuff. See, I don't get why a playlist would be locked, but whatever, that's fine. Whatever, I don't know. But yeah, but you can also do other stuff in the channel settings thing. You can do branding stuff, so you can actually put a little picture in the corner of your videos. So if someone like took a screenshot or like screen recorded it, then your little picture will be in the corner. And yeah, so you can mess with that, I guess. But make sure it's like, I guess, your channel logo or something that would have to do with your channel. But yeah, and you can like put like keywords for your channel, which I feel like a lot of people don't know about the keywords for channel, but it's pretty much just like keywords for your video, and then you can just put whatever there for whatever. I don't think there's really much of a limit for the keywords channel thing, but whatever. And then there's also upload defaults, so you can have the channel title or the video title be whatever, and then you can have the description be whatever, and tags. You can have like default things, so when you upload a video, it'll automatically have those there, and then also like category and stuff. So yeah, and then you can also like make people mods, I guess, which I don't know how many people really have mods, but whatever. But you just gotta go to like your YouTube Studio and then settings for that. And then you can also mess with like comments and stuff, and if you don't want certain stuff in comments, you can like block links, so it'll be like held for review or whatever too. I have it so links are blocked in comments, so it'd have to be held for review. So if someone wanted to put some weird thing there, then I could block that. And then you can also go to whatever, and you can either allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, or hold all comments for review, or just disable comments on videos. And you can do the same for discussion tab, so you can allow all comments or hold potentially inappropriate ones, or hold all, or disable them. So yeah, you can kind of just mess with the settings and try to, I guess, try to keep it like safe, or keep it moderated without people really moderating it all that much. So yeah, and you can also like block certain words or phrases. I think there's a limit to it though, so it's kind of sad that you can't block that much, but I guess it's kind of like to keep it from being abused or whatever. But yeah, you can do pretty much all that in the channel settings. Like you can't really do, I think that's all. I think all of that is in the settings, yeah. So whatever. If any of that was like confusing, like I mean, I'm sure it wouldn't be. All you have to do is go to your channel studio and then go to the settings thing, and then I'm pretty sure, yeah, all of that's right there. So yeah, it's whatever. So yeah, anyways, I guess that's it. I guess if I ever needed to, I could make a part 2 of this, because I guess there's kind of a lot. But yeah, if you wanted to know like what kind of recording stuff there is, or editing, or how to make thumbnails, maybe I'll make a video about that, or I'll just link some stuff in the description to be like, hey, here's some stuff where you could find out whatever stuff that you could possibly find for recording or editing or making thumbnails. So yeah, I guess that'll be it for this though, so bye.